what is going on, my Sasamoto family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. Finally, we're getting some good weather. As you guys can see, my last video, I actually uploaded me putting on these lights, which they look so good. Oh my gosh. The only thing is, I don't know if they're going to give me shit for the license plate being there. On my previous bike, you already know I had it somewhere around here, and they gave me lip for it, but I feel like that plate is highly visible no matter what. So I don't know, we shall see. Today, for the first time, we're having some good weather. It's not too cold, it's also not raining, and we're just gonna go ahead and enjoy it. The other thing I have to do is I have to download the app for this bike, because I haven't done so. I haven't done any of that. But yeah, I've been slacking a little bit, I guess. Let's go ahead and just taking off the battery tender and explain to you guys what my life has been. It's been crazy. Yeah, this can be my first time actually riding this thing after all the mods I've made. It's ridiculous. Make sure the kickstand is down. I don't want to knock this thing over, you know. Yeah, so it's great. I'm so excited about this. The only thing that hasn't come in is the spools. I bought some spools. Oh crap, I bought some spools from Cycle Gear. I did buy some spools from Cycle Gear, and unfortunately they didn't fit because the way this thing is angled. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's this little groove. The spool was way too big to fit in there, so we'll see. We shall see. So let's look and see what it looks like outside, because it's nice enough to ride. It is dry. It's a little wet, damp here, but the roads are pretty clear and dry, so let's go ahead and start with that cold start, even though it's not as loud as Onyx was. Let's go. Oh, it's not as loud, but it's got a little grunt to it. It's not bad. This thing feels a million times more comfortable than Onyx. Sad to say, but it really does. Oh man, this feels nice. Let's take a peek at her in the sunlight, or should I say the outside. Look at this thing. Oh, she's dirty. This thing looks phenomenal. Look at that. So I added the Woodcraft frame sliders, which I think they look really good. I was kind of skeptical in the beginning, but I thought they came out pretty good. SC Project looks phenomenal. That catalytic converter, it's just choking the heck out of this poor bike. And look at that. It just it looks so good. It really does look so good. Man, I don't know if the cops are going to give me shit for it. That's my only concern. But now let's go for a ride. Oh man, this throttle is like overly smooth, if that makes any sense. All right, let's go. Super quiet. Wow, like I can chill. Look at this. I'm actually doing the speed limit with this bike because it's so comfortable. I don't feel like I have to race everywhere. Let me just say, this is the first time I'm actually like riding the bike in a while. The last time I rode it was when I rode it to work at one point. I don't think I brought my GoPro with me. No, I did not. I just brought... Wow, this thing is so smooth. It's ridiculous. Oh, it feels so comfortable. Like I can do the speed limit. I don't have to go crazy with this thing. So I can see where people, whew, that was loud. I can see where people kind of have a downfall with this bike, where everything is a little too easy, I guess would be the word. You don't have to work as hard as, I guess is the thing I want to say. What's up, girl? How you doing? Yeah. You don't have to work as hard because everything is so smooth and easy with this bike, which is the one thing I do love about it. Now, don't get me wrong, the power is there. I haven't tested it out yet because I haven't broken in this bike yet. Gee willikers, it is windy out today, boy. Woo! How you doing? Yeah, buddy. Even the scooter's getting some love. We're just gonna go to the lakefront, just kind of hang out, chill, and talk for a little bit. 25. You got it, buddy. 25. Let's set this. This is right here will get you out of trouble. This right here. Look at that. I can do this now. Look, and I can keep the speed limit, which is phenomenal. And this isn't illegal. At least I don't think so. If you take both hands off the steering wheel, I know it's a hazard, but is it illegal? I don't know. I don't know. But this bike is so stable. Who the freak cares? Who cares, homie? Who? Oh, barbecue. That smells good. Oh no, I thought that was a stop sign. This is great. Look at that. I'm just chilling. I am chilling. Oh man. Oh. Smells like fresh cut grass. It tells you everything in green. Like 27 miles an hour, it's locked, and you're at 27 miles an hour. And this is me right now. Hands folded on the tank. At least you guys get to see the lakefront now. You know what I didn't think about? It's going to be a little chilly. I'm here in a short sleeve shirt, and the closer I get to the water, the colder it gets. Oh man. Alright, let's go. That's the waterfront, baby. Yeah, this area, I like this area. It's very calm, cool, collected. Like this is somewhere where you want to come and walk, do a little bit of exercise, and kind of clear your mind, which I think is amazing. I wish I'd been able to get a house here, but the house is here in the front, and the lakefront is very expensive, but it's all good. It is all good. Oh man, this is where I first came when I moved here. One of the first places. I'm like, this is really, really nice. And this was a long time ago, before I chose to come here. I told myself, man, this will be a dope place to live, and it really, really is. This is where it's at. Kind people, kind people. Alright, let's park you right here, baby. That's a nice spot to get a... Oh man, it's perfect. Yeah, this is pretty dope. I like this. Oh, it smells nice here too. Good old Florida. Let's go visit the Gators. Yeah, guys, there she is. Pretty as can be. Now you take some photos for the gram. Let's take photos for the gram, baby. Okay. Let's see. First shot? No. That's too close. Let's get her right here. Let's get it close enough. This is it, guys. Look at this. There's like an area where you can walk to. It's pretty dope. You can enjoy the ducks. These are walking sections. You get really close to the water and just kind of chill out. You know, water soothes the soul, they say. You know, it's calming. Which, look at this view. It's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I chose a great place to live. I doubted myself because I'm so far from everything, unfortunately, but this is nice. You get a little bit of paradise. People walking around with their dogs and families and things to that nature. So, yeah. Sorry if I sound a little winded, but whew, your boy ate a lot. So much for that diet, right? Sheesh. Alright. Let's go cruising around. Because I'm in the mood for cruising. I just wanted to make this small little stop just to chill. But I'm ready to go. Oh, the little doggy. Look at the little doggy. He's looking hard over there. Yeah, see? Hey, puppy. Hi, puppy. Oh, he don't like me much. Oh, you got two of them. Hi. They are so cute. You're welcome. Yeah. He's just yelling at him. That's great. Oh man, disciplining the puppies. They're so cute. Oh. Alright, let's go. Take care. She's struggling with the dogs. They want to jump over her. I'm getting away so they don't get too close to the mice. The people here are so nice. They got this beautiful front. Everybody's just kind of chilled out. God, this bike still smells new. Alright, let's go. That is cute little girl. It's like, look, I want that, Daddy. I want that. I don't want this little thing anymore. That's a real deal right there. Look at that. They got spots here where kids can play and just chill. Got a little area for picnicking. Oh man, this place is phenomenal. Look at that. Look at that view. Look at that lake view. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It can't get no better than that, honestly. Get to relax. Oh, there's another spot here where I can come and check it out. How can I get in there? Alright, let's get in here. Let's get this person through first. I can come in here. This is dope. Oh, there you go. Dope little spot. Look at this. Oh, this is so nice. Let me go nice and slow so you guys can see. Is that a pumpkin? There's a pumpkin on the ground. This bike runs hot. It doesn't feel bad now because it's a little cool out. Look at that. They have a volleyball section, a volleyball court thing. I don't even know what you would call that. That's dope. That's really dope. This is kind of cool. Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. Like this is what sold me into St. Cloud, was this view right here. Alright, let's continue trucking along. I couldn't do this with Onyx, man. Like, everywhere I went with Onyx, I needed to race through. I know the speed limit is 25, so it gives me a chance to just jump in. Let's get that 25, baby. And just chill mode. Like, everybody's just kind of hanging out, chilling, taking it easy. This guy right here. Hey, yeah, this is great. Just chill mode. It's nice and quiet. Look at it. It's just, man, just look. You got wildlife. You got a little bit of everything. Probably some cute gators in there that you want to play with. Oh man, I already had my experience with a gator, man. That video was crazy. Could not believe it. I was with my boy Gary and taking some cinematic shots. This gator was just sitting there, just waiting for me. I'm like, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I know. This is where it ends. Right here. This is a nice little chill spot right there. A little bit of gas. Okie dokie. Oh wow, really, dude? Oh shit! Are you kidding me, bro? Seriously? Oh! Watch, bro. Jesus! She just stops in the middle of the freaking road. Are you kidding me? Jeez! This is why you pay attention. Drivers like her. This is how people get into accidents. Thank God I was going slow and I was just chilling out. They're paying attention to their phones and they're not paying attention to what's coming. Be careful with the gravel and rocks and stuff. It's so quiet. This thing is, poor thing is so choked up. Here I am at the cribbo. I gotta check and see what the high beams look like on this thing. And this thing does not like to find neutral. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. It looks so great. Yeah, you can't get better than that. That looks clean. Hey, those things are bright. Jeez. Well, to my Salsa Moto family, hopefully you guys enjoyed this this episode of riding the 2021 S1000RR. Oh yes. So, guys, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much. And yeah, just become part of the Salsa Moto family and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys again. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.